Hi everybody, and welcome to what is going to be an update for you today. As you would have probably noticed, especially those that follow me, there was no video last week. That's the first time in 2 years that I've never actually got a video up for you, and it was amazing how bad I felt about not doing anything. But I wanted to come on, do an update. I'm going to be doing a few updates now with the run up to Maker Central anyway, which is the 11th and 12th May, so I'm hoping that I'll meet a few of you there. The best event of the year as far as I'm concerned. So yeah, so I wanted to explain why I didn't upload a video. Well, I'd been talking way into last year about furniture building and about work that I needed to do in my house. Well, I've virtually for the last month been just hammering on and doing the house. I'm just about finished. I'm not far off finishing. I put my own kitchen in, so obviously never done a kitchen before. I've done units and put sinks in before, but I've never done a whole kitchen. And the reason that I wanted it done, so I wanted to compress everything into the shortest space of time so that it interrupts. 2 seconds, sorry about that, cats are fighting. So I wanted to basically do all the house stuff in such a compressed time, and I did hope that I would still manage to get small videos out for you, but last week it was just almost impossible to do it. You are going to be seeing some of the, you're not going to see the kitchen builds. I don't know what I'm doing myself, so it's all about me learning, you know. You make mistakes and you sort them out, you just do it yourself. So I'm not filming that. I've got nothing that other YouTubers out there are a lot better at building kitchens than me. But what I am going to be doing is resin splashbacks on these. I've got everything in ready for those, and some point during April that will happen. So well, it'll be sort of April and May time that will happen. So so yeah, so the kitchen is actually it's just base units, and it's going to be top units, no top units. It's just going to be resin splashback, and I'm going to be putting some burr shelving in there. Elm, I think it'll be elm burr shelving. So so those projects will be coming up. It'll be about the shelving, because I'm going to be doing that floating shelves there. So that stuff will come up, and also the splashback will definitely be coming up. I've got all the stuff ready to go on that. The other project I did was building the bed that I'd spoken about such a lot. That video will be going out. It won't go out this week. It will be going out next Wednesday. It's all completed and filmed. I'm actually sleeping in that bed now, but it only got completed yesterday because I've been building the kitchen and making the bed and decorating the bedroom all at the same time. So it's been a bit chaotic, to say the least, and absolutely exhausting trying to work, continue with the pen blanks, which to be honest has been neglected slightly, and do all these other projects. But I'm just at the end of it all now, and basically I'm going to be taking a little bit of time out. I'll still be filming projects for yourself, but I'm going to take probably a week off just to rest up, and have a think about where the channel's going, because I actually really enjoyed making the bed and learned massive amounts. Did make a couple of mistakes, was able to correct them and do that, and now the bed is a more solid bed than I could ever buy. So yeah, you will see that video coming next week. So that's what's been going on, and that's why I haven't got a video up for you, and it's also why there's not a project video going up this week. I suppose it's not too bad. I've only managed to take 2 weeks out from the channel, but from Wednesday next week things will resume as normal. I will be dipping in and out. I'll probably every couple of weeks be doing an update about stuff that's coming up for Maker Central or for any other stuff, and also I've got a couple of big projects coming up, really big projects for the channel as well, more furniture. So that you'll see all that very soon. That'll be coming, that'll be in April. the start of April that will be getting completed, so that will be up by the middle of April. Also in the bedroom, I'm going to be building the bedside cabinets. I shall be filming all that, and I've decided to go, I've not got any photos for you, well, probably because it's just my house, you know, but there will be stuff that you'll see going into these areas. Like I've painted the rooms completely white because I actually wanted to add all the colour through stuff, and I thought it was a perfect platform for some resin arts, which is what I want in my house, is some of the stuff that I actually make. So I will be doing some big pieces of that, so you definitely will see it. And this room here, outside this door here, there is just so many MDF boards, because I've actually bought everything to complete this room. But I will be filming all of that when I do it. It'll be a bit of trial and error because I've got to make complete framing, because it's going to be all round work surface. But it's all going to be resin. Lily's even back. I haven't seen Lily in a good while. So yeah, so it's all going to be work surface in here, and they're all going to be resin topped counters. That is, I think it's going to be a sponsored video, because obviously I use Amazing Clearcast, so I think that House of Resin will be sponsoring me for that project. Everything's not confirmed on that yet, but yeah, they've already agreed to sponsor me for that. So yeah, so there is an awful lot coming up, and not all of it's maybe some of the stuff that I normally do. These are only one-off big projects, and obviously the house stuff is just added extra, as I want colour in it. There's going to be a lot of resin in the projects that I do anyway. So yeah, that's it. I didn't want to go into too much detail. I just wanted to come on and tell you all what's happening. I am so sorry that you didn't get a video last week and you haven't got a project video again this week, but that is not me sort of starting to wean off YouTube, not at all. You will see from next Wednesday onwards, that's us back on schedule, and like I say, there will be a few updates coming in between, so you might hear me talking some more rubbish. I know not everybody likes it, but that's it, that's what I do. I like to come on and tell you. I feel like I know a lot of yous already in the 2 years that I've been doing this. Well, it's nearly 2.5 years now. So I hope you're all having a great couple of weeks. It's been a long time since I've actually said that to you, because I don't do that much talking in the other videos. But stay safe whatever you're doing, and enjoy it, because the making world is an amazing world. There is so much stuff out there. Every day I find something new that I could be making. And I'm inspired constantly by people out there on YouTube. So I encourage everybody to share what they do, if they wish, because it makes it a very exciting area to be part of, the maker community. So I really hope, I know some of you are, well, but pretty much most of you are actually in the US, but I hope as many of you maybe coming over and maybe get a chance to meet you at Maker Central. There's a lot of big YouTubers coming in this year, so I'm pretty excited myself to get to meet some of the big casters, which is I think Zach Higgins is coming, I think Brian Bloom is coming in. So there's a lot of really big people in the casting world coming into Maker Central. It's going to be an amazing event. I may do some live during it, but I may not. I wasn't very successful at doing it last year, because it just goes in a flash very quickly, so when you're there. But anyway, everybody, hope you're all okay, and I shall see you back next Wednesday for the bed project, and yeah, probably within the next couple of weeks you'll see me again. So till then, take care. Thanks very much for watching.